You got my eye mask. Eee! Bring it over here. What is it? Jump. Hey, it's Arthur. Jump. Hey. Arthur's playing with my eye mask. How do you think that was good? Arthur. I have to get to work. I have to get to work. Step up. Step up. I have to go to work. Step up. I have to go to work. Step up, boo. Step up. I have to go to work. I have to go. Step up. Step up. I have to go to work. I know you just want to sit, sink and listen to NPR all day. Step up. I gotta go to work. You have to go to your cage. Step up. Come on, boo. Step up. Step up. Boo. I have to go to work. I have to go to work. Step up. I gotta go to work. You have to go back to your cage. Step up. I have to go to work. I have to go to work. Step up. Step up. I gotta go to work. I have to work. Come here, Boo. 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 Come here. Come here. Come here, Boo. Come here. He's gonna come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Boo. Come here. Come here. Come here, Boo. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, Boo. Come here, Boo.
My appetite's all right.
Come on, Boo. Hey, come here. I tried to get Boo over here. Come here, Boo. Come here. Oh, he got scared of the...
Right.
Oh. Arthur, you're creepy. You're creepy, Arthur. You're creepy. Oh, we don't have sex with my hand. We don't have sex together. We don't have sex together. It's like, oh yes we do. Come on, Arthur, no sex. No sex. No sex. No sex. Misha bird. What if I put my hand right here? You're obsessed with fucking my thumb. Freak. We don't have sex. No, we don't have sex. No sex, no sex, no sex. I know you're big and strong, but we're not gonna have sex. We don't have sex. Nope, no sex. No sex, Arthur. Oh, you're a little boo-boo.
Okay, these are all from that. This is just some of them.
Oh, cool.
She chews on both sides, and they were the strings, and they'd have like 1, 2, 3, like 4 down the string, and she would chew them all off.
Oh, cool.
So
Misha will like those at least. Here, 1 second.
Hey, Boo, you like this? Let's see. But you can take these home with you too.
Do you want to try
Put
this?
them in your
What is
pocket.
this? No, Boo wants to.